How's it going, you guys? Sam Corey here from Genesis of Laguna, Niguel, and today we're going to go over the remote start feature and the remote smart parking assist feature on the Genesis GV80. And I'd also like to mention this is only going to be standard in the advanced and prestige models of this car.
To begin the remote parking assistant, simply press the lock button twice, push and hold on the circle hold button to start the vehicle, and then push the P and backwards arrow button until the car begins to move. Then to bring it forward, push the P and arrow forward button until the car begins to move forward. Once you've reached your desired location, simply lift off the button and then push the lock button, and once again push and hold the circle button to turn off the vehicle. Using the car's active 360 view camera and sensors, if an object is in the way of the vehicle, whether it be in the front or the back while the vehicle is moving, it will sense the object and stop to prevent any collision with the object.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please feel free to drop a comment below if you guys have any questions, and always remember to like and subscribe.